How to bulk remove hyperlinks in Excel, but keep the text. All right, so Kim has a huge spreadsheet with a mix of text and hyperlinks. And of course, it's super annoying because if you try and click on a cell that has a hyperlink, it follows the hyperlink. All right, so the first tip there, if you arrow in, that's one good way to select it. But the other, like the way that Microsoft suggests this, is you don't just click on the cell, you have to long click on the cell. When the hand changes to a white plus, then you know that it's okay to let go of the mouse button and you're good to go. But Kim just wants to get rid of all the hyperlinks. She wants to keep the text, but make them not be live hyperlinks. Okay, so the way to do this, we're going to select all of the data that potentially has hyperlinks, even if it's in multiple columns, and then right-click on the active cell, and all the way down here at the bottom, go to Remove Hyperlinks. And look at that, it just gets rid of them. It never used to do that. You have to do them one at a time, but now, 10 years later, it's just fixed. Super, super easy. Right-click, Remove Hyperlink. Thanks to Kim for sending that question in, and thanks to you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.